Next up, Sunshine Farm. In this video, I'll show you the mystical crate as well as the weapon and armor crates. Let's go ahead and do it. You may also have a quest here, which I'd recommend starting with. Alright, so heading in here. When you enter each of these rooms or each of these areas, you'll need to hit Q in order to progress the mission if you're currently doing it. Okay, so by this one over here, near the southeast side of the town in this building, just upstairs here, hopping onto these barrels and up into here, you'll find part of the quest, and just on the other side of the room, a gear crate sitting right here. Inside of it, we get these items. Then if we head out of here and towards this main tower in the center, so we'll need to find our way up into this main central railing, all the way to this massive tower over here. We'll head across until we eventually find a ladder that takes us up. So here, we'll head up the next ladder. Then we'll find a sniper guarding a gear crate over here. This gear crate contains these items. Then we'll turn around and continue our way up until eventually we find the mystical crate at the very top. So we can grab this, and this is what we get from it. Then we can finish off with our mission down here if you have one. And even though we're done here, technically, you should still head out of here. We'll be heading northeast or east up into this building over here. Easiest way to get there is to follow the road. We'll head out here and travel all the way until we're able to turn around and head up the hill here. In fact, I think I even went past it. Yeah, I definitely did. We'll head across here and into this little area, and we'll head across from the entrance into this first building over here. This smaller building should contain another weapon crate over here. Looting it, this is what we get from it. This is much better than the loot, even in the main area. Then we'll head out of here and continue our way up this little path. So we'll find our way around the backside here, where you'll find yet more forces, and we'll continue our way up there. So from this back section here, we can head over this and around the backside of this here, all the way around and up here by this little cage, where we can find our way into where we're supposed to be continuing, fight our way through here, and we can continue our way past this next section, all the way to the very top. Up here, you'll find a few more forces until you eventually find this section where we'll be heading into this building at the back. So up here into this building, we should find in here, we have the next gear crate. And with that, we've now searched the area and got everything we could from it. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.